and Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years. He came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was also very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, you know, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years? This just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Dhananjay, this is what we love about you.
So Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theatre. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were 4 or 5 four newcomers who were in the film who were not here. They were just brilliant. I thought, they told me they were all newcomers, and they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film, the background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said it is good, I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
So you spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us, actually, I believe. Just kidding. Sir, एक line में बता दीजिए, because DSP का music and DSP itself is an industry. आपके लिए music कितना अलग रहा? एक ही line में कुछ भी बोलिए सर. आदित्य म्यूजिक से आदित्य.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
All the best, and this will be another blockbuster from South.
All right. So I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him, and also the producers and everybody. And thank you for so much love. Thank you for all the
But you have to stay with us. There's lots of questions for you, but because we have everyone, I want you to stick around because you are our core right now.
Most of my scenes actually were with Nasser, and I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the... Huh? To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them. Huh? No, I don't want to give anything away, but yes. And Nagsa made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fun one, moment. What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge and yet it has its heartland in a very simple way. What was different for you playing this role and being a part of this magnanimous team?
Well, it always felt like an enormous film right from the beginning. When I got the what's it called? Narration. When I got the narration from the team and Shekhar Kamula sir, then he pretty much said to me, "This is an author-backed role. You just do it." I was like, "Okay, all right, I'll do it."
Was it a challenge for you? Because you get into the skin of the character, like he said, beautifully.
Well, the challenge, of course, was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort, and I don't like the idea of saying a sentence where I don't know what each individual word means, so there was a lot of time spent there, doing a transcription, what each word meant, because it's not the same, right? In English, it can be like, how many are there? Whereas in Telugu, it would be like, many are there, how? Something. So where do you put the how? At the end of the sentence, at the top of the sentence, So that took some time and some effort.
I'm going to ask you to pass that mic to Dalabji, who seems to be like, he's gotten a new lease with this one. Sir, we've been a huge fan. You're fantastic when it comes to your...
Thank you.
Is there one...
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo! There is some...
That's a huge privilege.
There is some uncanny resemblance beyond just the...
But I'm a little confused now which language to speak in. तो अगर आपको हिंदुस्तानी समझ में आती तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बोलूँगा या अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा, जैसे आपकी मर्जी। तो अंग्रेजी में ही बोलता हूँ मैं, हिंदी में बोलूँ, ठीक है। देखिए, ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए बहुत खास पिक्चर है और मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं शेखर कमूला साहब के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। जब उन्होंने मेरी कहानी सुनाई तो बहुत पसंद आया मुझे, और उससे बड़ी बात क्या है कि मुझे नाग जी, रश्मिका, धनुष जी, जिम और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ। मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर जाह्नवी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा, और बाकी जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं। और ये मेरी विनती है कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें, क्योंकि हर भाषा में है, तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, चाहे आप तेलुगु बोलते हैं या तमिल बोलते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका यहाँ आने का, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, एंड आई विश द फिल्म एवरी सक्सेस।
Dalit sir, in this beautiful journey for over the years that you've had, is there a moment in this film that you will carry with you forever?
Yeah, I will, because the moment for me was to meet this wonderful gentleman Nag again, Mr. Nagarjun, after many years. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago. I met Mr. Nagarjun, and then I saw him on the set. He hasn't aged even one day. I was like, ये कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यार, ये तो नाग जैसे लगता है, लेकिन था ही वो. It's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Would you please give him the mic and let's ask
Yes,
him
of course.
कैसे हैं ये ageless, the #1 star of South? How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How so? You can't give away some trade secrets, I believe, eh? Is it?
I'll just be, it's just a joke, don't take it seriously. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed.
But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम सब पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, so everybody, you know, these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Here, your fans here. कि आप एक नंबर 1 स्टार के बगल में खड़े हो, खुद भी बहुत नंबर 1 उन्होंने कहा है 3 साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है. तो for being part of Kubera, the high points for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor, being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera, because actually, ma'am, it as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots. Can we? Okay, I got myself. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir, and getting to work with him. I think all of us have really like given it in for this film, so I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. You played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly you haven't seen much of this character yet, because there's a lot more. As in, so far I've seen one teaser and this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be in fact surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here is the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen guys, the reality is, you will be shocked. Every day, I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding, I'm happy where I am, I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love, because of you, I am where I am today, and thank you. And that's it.
That love you give us on Instagram and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being number 1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying and saying this is the number 1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Great. Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started, because I don't know what this whole number 1 situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by Bhartaman. I will give it to sir as well. Deviprati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What is your take on pan-India movies? And also, what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
I think we should actually have this point where all of you
Just everybody here is very keen to hear Ram Mohan sir saying thank you, or 2 words from you,
you for all of you boss coming over here and making this event a such big success. Thank you once again. We'll be meeting you once again at a success meeting in Bombay. Thank you.
That is true cinema in our country. Can we have only the stars? May I please request Natsa, Rashmika, Dalip ji, Jim ji, आप सब यहाँ पे आगे आ जाइए. We'd like the cast, only the cast for a picture. Instructions दोगे तो क्या समझेंगे? भाई साहब, ये अलग डायरेक्शन चलती है मीडिया की.
Okay. No, but I definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film.
So we keep that a secret, sir.
Yeah.
We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी साउथ सिनेमा की बात होती है, you are one star, a rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi. All of I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.